guys, so I'm here at Wallapalooza and I'm here with RJ from Crio. He's going to give us the total rundown on the white toner printers.
Yes, well thank you for having me. Very excited to talk to you guys. So yeah, we are showcasing the Crio 8432 today. It's really like the best kept secret in the industry. You're talking about a no cutting, no weeding solution that can decorate anything. Cotton, polyester, light, dark. We can go on mugs, wood, mylar balloons. We can make temporary tattoos. The one printer's kind of got endless opportunities. Best part about it that it's toner, so there's zero maintenance. Turn the printer on today, print 100 prints, turn the printer off turn it back on next year, and it's going to work just fine. There's no clogging or anything like that.
So who would you suggest this? At what stage in the apparel decorating industry would you suggest this printer for?
Sure. I would say that's a very open question because we do sell it to a lot of startups. The fact that when you're a startup, you might not have business every day. And the fact that it's a toner-based, no maintenance solution, I mean, you can use it for 10 shirts today, turn it off till Friday, where, you know, there's other technologies that you got to run those machines, or else you're just going to have some maintenance problems. But let's just say you're in sublimation and you really need cotton, or you want to print white. That's your solution right there. Or if you're in vinyl and you're just tired of cutting and weeding, I think this is the next step for upgrading. Or maybe you do screen printing and you're used to doing hundreds of shirts, but you want to be able to do the low runs like 12s. Well, this could be the printer for you. So there's really not one step. Now the printer is $8,000, so you do want to be able to afford the machine or at least pay your financing terms. But I mean, if you're making 20 t-shirts a month, you're going to be able to make your payment.
Okay, so it's pretty affordable for you.
Correct, yeah. Under $10,000, you're going to have everything. Obviously, you don't need a lot of space. You really just need a table and a printer and your heat press, and you're in business.
And when you get the printer, what does it come with?
Printer's going to come with a starter set of toners, so good for about 1,000 prints. We give you a RIP software, and we also train you how to use it for free. We do free training on the RIP. Every Tuesday, we have 2 sessions. We give you a remote support tablet, so we actually give you like a mini iPad that comes with all your how-to videos, and you can do one-on-one trainings with that. We give you a USB cord to print, and I believe that is it. That all comes with just the price of the printer.
So you could go from unboxing to printing in like an hour, 30 minutes?
15 minutes.
Wow.
You have a QR code that is on our box. Scan it. It's going to take you through unboxing, downloading software, all that good stuff, and then you'll be printing.
Love that. Well,
welcome. My name is RJ Rickards, and I'm with ISW, and we are the distributor for the Crio white toner printers. So yeah, those are not familiar with white toner. In our industry, this is kind of the best kept secret. I think people know vinyl, people know sublimation, now people know DTF, but no one's really like, oh, white toner. You know, it's been around for 9 years, the technology has. And our niche is short to medium run full color. That's really our niche. So 12 t-shirts for a local birthday party, a bachelorette party. Anything under 50 is our sweet spot. You know, you start getting to the hundreds, you want to do screen printing, you want to buy transfers like DTF. You know, you're getting higher volume where...
If you want to do time management, if you're up on the higher scale, you're going to want to do something different.
Correct.
If you're still a little guy.
Yeah, if you're just getting into the industry, or if you're a screen printer and you just need a short run solution. You know, if you just want to use this for 12s, one-offs, whatever it might be. It's really, that's where our niche is. So that's where white toner fits in our industry. The name of the game is that we can decorate any color, any substrate. So garment-wise, we can decorate polyester and cotton, light and dark. We can also do hard surface items. We can do bags, mugs. We can decorate wood. We can decorate mylar balloons. We can do mylar bags. Anything that can take heat, we can decorate. So I mean, that's the greatest strength of this is the versatility. You're not just a t-shirt printer. Now you can do everything. I mean, I could print on cardstock and do wedding invitations if I wanted to. So, you know, the one printer kind of endless opportunities, and really put your mind to it, you can create. Yeah, so let's get into our demo. So, in this instance today, I'm going to show you how to decorate a dark t-shirt. So when you decorate anything dark, it's a 2-paper process. You have your printable A film, and then you have your B sheet, which is blue, reason you need 2 steps is because when you go on a dark substrate, this is an extra layer of white underbase for it to be nice and vibrant on the shirt. I have 1-step papers for your lights, like that yellow t-shirt, where 1-step paper like this, to where you would only just print and press. But it doesn't have enough vibrancy or density to go on a dark shirt for that pop, or the look that we're all looking for. So what you have to do is you have to what we call marry the A and the B sheet. So you take your A sheet and you lay it on your heat press. Then you take your B sheet and you put it right over the top. And then this is a 90-second heat press. So 90 seconds is, it's not the fastest, but if you were doing vinyl, it might take you a little bit longer to cut and weed this than 90 seconds would.
A lot longer usually.
If you're doing direct to garment, it's probably going to take you about 20 minutes to pre-treat, print, and cure that garment. So 90 seconds isn't too bad to when you get into all the colors and the craziness of the garments that we do. Well, that's pressing. Let me go over kind of what the Crio is. So it's a white toner printer, cyan, magenta, yellow, and white. There's actually no black. When we go onto a light garment, we print what we call process black. So we create that black by combining cyan, magenta, and yellow. But when we go on a dark shirt like we're doing today, we pull the black out and let the black t-shirt be our black. One, it gives it a so much better feel, but it looks more natural. Instead of printing a block, might as well just let the t-shirt be that extra toner. Our printers ship with a 2-year on-site warranty. So the nice thing is that our printers are made at the manufacturing facility. They ship to us as white toner printers, so we can offer a warranty on-site. So if it breaks, I'm either going to deploy someone to fix it, or honestly, sometimes it's easier to just give you a new printer and I'll take yours back and we'll fix it, and then sell it at like a trade show or something. 11 by 17 is going to be your main size, but we do have paper that is 11.7 by 19 for that max paper size. So you still get larger prints than a traditional letter size A4 printer. Now the heat press is ready, so this is a hot peel, this is important. So when you talk white toner, this step I'm going to show you is going to be your learning curve for the whole thing. So you want to keep the paper right here on the platen, and then you just want to grab a corner and peel these two apart. So if you see here, all of the adhesive is just sticking to where that toner is. That's what we call self-weeding and self-cutting. Now it's a good peel because my B sheet doesn't have any toner on it. Everything's stuck to the A sheet. Now this is trash. So here's the downfall of white toner. When you only use one design on one sheet of paper, your cost is my A and B cost together for 11 by 17 is $4. So that's worst case scenario, $4 for one logo. Now you get 2 up, it's now $2 a logo. Left chests are going to be, 20 cents a logo. So there's definitely ways to take advantage of the sheet, but that is the one downfall. Since we're in that short run market, 12 t-shirts, 12 colors, the screen printer is going to charge you $50 a shirt.
Yeah, because they're going to want the quantity.
Exactly.
If you want us to do it, you need a minimum quantity of 50
exactly.
to get us to even think about doing your.
Correct. So we're still charging 20 to 30 bucks per shirt. $4, $2 for the shirt, $6 all in. Charge 20. You're making 14 bucks a pop. That's not bad. Charge 30, you're making a little bit more, $24. So the margin's there. It's just at that quantity, sometimes it's easier or better for you to just buy transfers. You get to 250. My cost is the same for 1 or 250. Transfers wise, the cost, you're gonna get cost breaks per, so wherever that break is where I'm saving money for buying outsourced, go ahead and do it, because that's not our business anyways. We want that short run. So, with that being said, that B sheet is a little bit smaller than our A sheet. So it does leave a little adhesive border. So this will transfer to the shirt if I don't trim it. So we always just say to trim the transfer just to make sure we don't get any of that. Now this will go into anything. So I just take my shirt, 100% cotton, pre-press it real quick. Line my transfer up. Now when you press it to the shirt, it's just 20 seconds.
Why are you using a cover sheet?
Good question. So, because this is plastic, so I just want to protect my press. I don't want anything to melt, get stuck. All we're doing here is just like the other Teflon over it. It just protects the upper plank. So 20 seconds, and then with this paper, it's a cold peel. So if you're doing 12 shirts, I just set my first one aside, and I press my next one.
By the time you're done, you can just start
Correct. Start peeling. But the one-step paper is a hot peel. So when you're going on the light shirts, you literally press it right there, you fan it once, pop it off, and just peel it. So with the one shirts, you can get some high production, where the two-step paper, maybe a little bit less production because of the multiple steps.
However, unlike sublimation, this can go on multiple surfaces.
Correct. Now, in my opinion, sublimation, white toner are a perfect marriage. We're really not taking over one or another because they have their niches. Anything cotton and dark is here. Anything light polyester is there. So they work well together. But yes, technically, our printer can do all of it.
This is doing a pretty good job of sucking the heat.
So I'm curious, so how do you this metallic? How?
Great question. So I'll show you. It'll make sense after I do this. Let me take this off. So instead of yanking it, because of all the detail, I'm just going to roll it off. And you see that I want you to feel this too. So it is vibrant, it's glossy, and it has like a plastic feel to it. So the way we did that sweater was there's hot stamping foil rolls.
Oh, okay, yeah, I know.
And then when it's glossy like this, you just cover the whole sheet, press it on top of it, and the foil only sticks to the toner.
Yeah.
And we only print black toner because it's the cheapest to use.
Yeah.
And it's the most dense. So you peel it off. That's how you get that foil look with just a traditional CMYK print. Now, you guys all felt this. So if I put this in the wash, it's going to start peeling off. There's nothing that's set in stone with this. So I'm going to press it one more time for about 10 seconds with what we call a T-seal sheet. T-seal sheet, feel this, it's a rubber silicone sheet that actually embeds all of the toner inside of the fabric. This one sheet can be pressed up to 500 times.
Oh wow, that's good.
And when I do
That's
this,
that question. I was like, well, that adds to the cost. And then-
right? I mean, you're talking less than a penny per use. Once I do this, I'm getting upwards of 50, 60 washes. So it's going to wash a lot like traditional screen print does. It's going to crack and fade over time, but just
That's
the name of the game.
normal in shirts.
Pretty much everything, right? Other than sublimation, really.
And even sublimation, depending on which level of polyester you have, it just fades.
Right,
So
right.
it's the name of the shirt business.
Yes, it
Nothing's
is.
100%. I don't care which.
So is
way
that
you do it.
90 seconds also?
No, just 20 to 30.
Okay.
But now the feel goes away, and it's so much softer.
my God.
And
Okay.
and if you look inside, you actually see it physically go inside the weave of the shirt.
Nice.
Oh wow.
So that's really the name of the game with the Crio white toner. Short to medium run. Decorate anything. And like I said, we can do balloons.
The Mylar.
I saw on the pamphlet.
Yeah, like we did this for my one of my buddy's 30th birthdays.
Oh, that's so cool.
Just took a picture off of Facebook, put it on the balloon.
So
So
dope.
very versatile, and it's the same paper we use with this. It's just a low temp paper, so it sticks at 210 degrees. But yeah, no maintenance. Turn it off today, turn it on next month. It's gonna be completely fine.
Not sublimation.
Not sublimation.
All right, guys, that was it, and I'll see you next time.
Peace.
You're awesome.
Man, that was